Want to keep track of your Venmo spending? It's easy to access your transaction history right in the app. First, open the Venmo app and log in. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner. It looks like three horizontal lines. Then, select History or Transactions from the menu. This will display a chronological list of all your Venmo transactions, including payments you've sent and received, as well as any requests and fees. Each entry shows the date, amount, recipient or sender, memo if any, and transaction status. All transaction data is stored indefinitely for you to access. Venmo provides tools to easily filter and download your transaction history. To filter, use the search bar to find specific transactions by name, amount, or keyword. For more advanced filtering, you can filter by date range, transaction type such as sent, received, or requests, or category like food or travel. To download your transaction history as a PDF, go to the History screen, tap the download icon, and select a date range. The file will be emailed to you securely. You can get full statements for tax purposes by logging into paypal.com, navigating to Statements under the Wallet section, and selecting Venmo as the source. Remember that exports are generally limited to 12 months per request, and third-party apps require API access from Venmo for security.